What's going on, everybody? Back for a video. So I've been playing a lot of Golf Plus, been playing on the Golf Plus tour, and I've been playing amateur, and I have decided to move up to pro. So I've been playing and practicing. I feel confident, feel comfortable about it. So I think I'm gonna play around on pro level. I'm just gonna play the front nine on Kapalua. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's the new course. So let's get started. So I'll be playing all my rounds on pro difficulty now. All my tournaments, battle modes, everything that I post. Oh no, not in the sand. Come on. Well, that started out bad, didn't it? Now, I will have a video coming out. I'll have a video coming out. Oh, that's too hard. Pretty soon. I think it's coming out Tuesday or Wednesday. And I am playing battle mode. It's episode 6, I believe. And that is played in amateur mode. But that's the last one because I recorded that a while back. Get in the hole. Oh, what a putt. That saved me. Oh, let's see. I tell you, my 3-iron and 4-iron, I have a problem slicing it. See if I can hit it straight. Well, it's better to be over there, I guess. Oh, no. Come on, turn. There you go. Right on the green. Keep rolling. But we are playing from the back tees. Oh, slow down, ball. We're playing from the back tees, easy pin placement, moderate wind, and fast greens. I tell you, this is a pretty tough course. Oh, there's a good drive. But I will say this, there is a little bit of there is a difference playing pro versus amateur. I pulled it. You got to concentrate on those shots more, I'll tell you that. It's hard to concentrate while I'm talking. But I was sitting there thinking about something to tell y'all, and I just didn't hit it good. But no, on the Golf Plus tour, I was playing amateur, and I was in the diamond tier. That's the top tier. And when I switched to pro, I am now in the bronze 1 tier. That's the lowest tier there is. So don't do it. Come on, get over that sand trap. So instead of 4 rounds, I need to stop trying to talk while I'm playing. So instead of 4 rounds of 18 holes, I am now playing. Oh, that's a good shot. I'm now playing 2 rounds of 9 holes. So I'll be posting everything now. I'll be posting both rounds. I'll just do them in the same video. I'll play them right back to back. But yeah, we're gonna give it a go. Oh, there's a good drive. Before this game, before I started recording, I played St. Andrews from the back tees. I played fast greens. I shot 1 under. I was happy with that. Oh, that might. Oh, get down, ball. Wow. Oh, come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. Not a bad shot. I noticed there's a difference in putting too, in amateur difficulty versus pro. Come on, get in the hole. Oh yes, an eagle. I'll take it. Oh, let's see. I guess we want to go right over that bunker right there. Oh no. Oh boy, I cranked that one. Man, that would have been, oh, come on, get on there. Get on the fairway, roll down. Oh, not over there. Not, boy, I tell you, this course has got some hills on it. That ball will roll. I mean, I've played this course a couple of times. I got a couple of 400-yard drives on it with these greens. See how that's sloping down? Oh, that's too far. That's too far. Oh, come on. Got the shadow there to line me up. That's a bogey. Man, I was even par. Oh, alright, let's see. Kind of hit over that tree right there. No. Oh, that might be pretty good. Oh, that might be a good drive right there. Look at that. That flew over 300 yards. Wow. I'm telling you, man, you can launch some drives on this course. Look at that. It's still rolling. There we go. Oh, it's downhill, 41 feet. Let's go with the sand wedge. See if we can get it up there. We're 134 out. Oh no, don't get over there. Well, that would have been that was a good distance too. Yeah, but hopefully I'll move up in the tiers pretty good. Oh, let's see. Oh, man. There's 193 out, and I'm going to hit an 8-iron. Get down, ball. Get down. Oh, yes. Oh, what a shot. No, I'll take it. All right. 49 feet up. I think we can crank a driver here. Oh, man, no. Oh. I hit that too hard. I should have dropped down to a 3 wood. Alright, let's see what we got here. Don't go in the bunkers over there. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Get him. Stop. Well, it didn't stick, did it? What is this? Okay, this is a par 5. This is for birdie. Nope. Stop. Okay. So I'm happy. Oh, look at that. Number 1 on the leaderboard for these settings for 9 holes. Even par. I'll take it. I will take it. Screwed up on those 3 holes there, but not bad. I'm happy. Alright, so that's going to be the video. Wish me luck on switching to pro. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment. I will see y'all in the next one. Later.